Good morning and welcome to Broker Minute. You're all familiar with that sound, I'm sure. Well, this is going to happen once every 1 or 2 weeks. And what I first want to start out with is the direction we're getting from LLR. Okay, what this is, what you should be seeing is your back office dashboard right here on the left-hand side. You're going to see updates from me from LLR, from CTAHR, anything that I feel important that you should know is going to be right here. And it's also going to be on YouTube. This video will be on YouTube, as will subsequent ones. There's some attachments. I'm going to put those in the show notes. This is going back to last month. We got direction from LLR about open houses and agents paying each other. Legal guidance from the state is saying agent is not allowed to compensate another agent. That's clearly stated. We all know that. Where does that leave you particularly? If you need to pay someone, it needs to come through the brokerage. We're not going to charge you anything. If it's an ACH, $3, whatever it is, you'll need to do that. The other part is open houses and showing agents. Legal guidance is stating open houses can only be performed within the same brokerage. Reasoning is that each broker is charged with supervising their own agents. The other agent doesn't have a fiduciary with our company or the seller. We are there representing the seller. If you're coming in as an outside agent into another broker's listing, I would think that you'd need all kinds of disclosures to not only the people walking in the front door, but also to the sellers. I ran into it a few weeks ago when I was trying to get somebody to show a house. The other agent doesn't have a fiduciary with our company or the seller, therefore has no reason to stay confidential when meeting prospective buyers. Also, the prospects coming through the door would assume the open house agent worked for the seller's listing broker. If you're walking somebody in to a house without an agency, I would assume that you understand that you're representing the seller at that time. Same stays true here. You're representing the seller because you do not have an agency with the people that are walking through the door. Be aware of it. I say it's a mess. We're still working through it. There was also guidance on wholesaling, which I don't believe anybody is doing right now. You need read their definition in the guidance. Market means even saying something to somebody else. If you purchase a property but haven't closed on that property, you can't jump the title. You have to have ownership. That's the way I'm seeing this written, and it's the way they're writing it. Have ownership. Make sure that you're not marketing it. And that even comes down to, hey, you know what? I got a property that I'm under contract with. You want to buy it for 20 or 30? That's wholesaling. That's what they're writing here. If your family is a party in a contract of some form, you must purchase the property and resell it. It could be the same day. It happens all the time. Read the guidance here. Any questions? Let's have a conversation. And those are the two. Any questions, let me know. Like anything else, our business is becoming more litigious and people are starting to get sued. Be careful, cover your butt, and if you have any questions, give me a call and we'll go from there. Have a great day.